Hey chillers, welcome to another episode of Makeup and Chill with Woodpecker, and today is going to be a little different. So I'm going to do a tutorial on this look, but you won't be hearing my voice. Get you a glass of wine and stick around for this episode.
Okay, she's going to start now. She's probably going to put on the eyeshadow. Oh yes,
Eyebrows.
Eyebrow shadow,
Eyebrows.
eyebrows, and then she's taking up the palette. She's choosing the color. I think that is red, and she's putting on that over her eyes, over her eyelid. I don't even know what that is. What is that? Painting, using the eyeshadow to paint her eyelids. Now she's using a fluffy brush, and using a fluffy brush to blend out the color on the lid. You understand what that is? I probably don't even know what that means. Blending out the color. Now she's getting a darker color to create the crease over the eyebrow.
Lid.
The eyelid, sorry, eyelid. Yeah. You notice that there has to be balance, so whatever happens on one side happens on the other side also. And you notice in the corners of the eyes. And she has to make sure that it looks the same way on both sides, or she would look more like a duppy. So now she's going to be doing something else. She's going to use, she don't want anybody to see, I guess. So, okay, you probably, I don't know what she did, but now she has a palette. She's going to take out a color that is called a base color. A base color that she's going to use for, I don't know what that is. So now she's going to put down the yellow on the foundation.
That's not the foundation.
She's packing on the yellow so that, of course, I don't know. Now she's going to blend the colors together, to make it look like one thing. Okay. Yeah. Now she will use that felt tip pen, something looks like a felt tip pen, to put on the eyeshadow. And I guess she's going to do that, and she don't want you to see how she does it. So, stupid looking, looks like wings on her eyes. Now she is going to use a foundation brush to apply the foundation. She have to cover up all of the holes that are in her face so that the foundation will be efficacious. And now she will pat that down with a beauty blender so that it is smooth like masonry. And then fan it for, I don't know. So now use a thicker brush, a bigger brush to smooth out things. And now she uses the eyeliner to accentuate the eyes and the nose and the forehead and the chin. And that highlighter is also pat down with a brush. Now she gets what looks like a glue stick and she's applying something to the cheek and bones and nose and forehead, and then pat that down with a
blending brush.
Now she seems to be getting ready to work on the bottom side of her eyes. She can't find the thing to use. Oh, she uses a small pencil to give the underside of the eyes. Now she's darkening the lower side of the eyes with a dark shaded pencil, and then she's going to use mascara to paint the lashes, the lower lashes. Then she will now use a bright color to bring out the cheek bones, and now she's adding highlight. She's highlighting, using the highlighter to highlight, and then the lipstick that is, I imagine, red lipstick, and
Lip gloss.
lip gloss on to cover that. Then this is the goose. The goose is cooked. The turkey is done.
So I hope you enjoyed that video. I will leave the steps below for you, so you can go ahead and look in the comment section for the steps. All right, now my makeup's looking good, and this is only the second video for the year. Please go ahead, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Tell me what you like, what you didn't like, anything you want to share. Tell me what you want to see next. Thank you again for watching. This has been Makeup and Chill with Woodpecker and my dad. See you next time. Bye.